In this video, you'll learn how to link Gelato to your eBay store. This process involves creating an account, authorizing access and publishing products seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully connected these two platforms for efficient order management. Begin by creating a Gelato account. If you do not already have one, navigate to the Gelato website and select the option to sign up. After completing the registration process, log into your dashboard using your newly created credentials. Once you are logged in, look for the integrations section in the main menu. This area contains various marketplace options where you can connect your Gelato accounts. After locating the integration section, select eBay from the list of available marketplaces. It is essential to review the integration requirements carefully at this stage. Ensure that your eBay seller account is active and in good standing, as this will impact your ability to connect with Gelato. Confirm that you understand any prerequisites or settings that may need to be adjusted before proceeding. Next, you need to authorize Gelato to access your eBay store. This involves granting the necessary API permissions during the connection process. Follow the prompts provided on the screen to complete this authorization. After granting permission, confirm the store synchronization settings to ensure that both platforms will communicate effectively. It is advisable to test the integration with a sample product to verify that everything is functioning as expected. Once you've tested the integration, you can publish a product from Gelato directly to your eBay store. Monitor the order synchronization automatically, as this will ensure that all orders placed on eBay are reflected in your Gelato dashboard. It is important to confirm that tracking updates are properly reflected in both systems. This synchronization is crucial for maintaining accurate order information for your customers. After publishing your products, regularly review the order fulfillment status within Gelato. This will help you stay informed about any potential issues that may arise. If you encounter any problems, be prepared to provide customer support to address these concerns promptly. Having a clear communication channel with your customers will enhance their experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.